everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, if you live in the U.S. and you have access to a Dollar Tree, hurry up and grab some of these before they're gone. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. I am so glad and so thankful that you're choosing to be here today, and I am so appreciative for the time that you give to me and my channel. Your support is what is helping my channel to continue to grow. Most of you know that I am committed to trying not to buy new papers, new ephemera, and things like that. And I've been very good at that, and that's not what this video is. I'm going to share with you two things that I found at the Dollar Tree recently that will definitely serve us well in our crafting. And that's one of the things that I will always do. When I think I've come across something that will help us in our crafting, then I'll buy it and I'll share it with you guys. That's what we're doing today. So I have flipped to the overhead view so that you can get a good look at what it is I'll be showing you. The first things that I'm going to show you are these awesome, fashionable pens. Now, for those of us who are making notebooks or we're making journals, we are always looking for nice pens to put on those. And that is what I have found at the Dollar Tree. Now, some of you might already know about these. I didn't, because I haven't been in Dollar Tree too much lately. And I'm just going to pop these out so that you can get a good look at what we have here. Now, these are the styles that I was able to find. They probably have a whole lot more, but just look at how beautiful these pens are. And they are perfect to add to your journals and your notebooks when you're looking for a nice complementary pen to add to that project. So I am just going to write my name. And you can see that the writing is very smooth. I haven't tried all of these pens, but I would imagine that they're all of equal quality. And for all of you flying insect lovers, this is a butterfly, dragonfly, beetle, and bee pen. It has all of them on it. It is absolutely beautiful. Then we have our florals, stripes, geometrics. I think these pens are definitely something to be on the lookout for if you happen to be in the Dollar Tree. Now, I found these by the registers as I was checking out. I think one of the reasons why there are such long lines at Dollar Tree is so that you will look around the registers and you will see one or two things that you might want to buy. So I did find these by the register during checkout. Now, y'all, I am super stoked about this one because this is something that I like to use on the channel a whole lot. And now I can get it in individual sheets and individual patterns. I know you are going to love this. What is it? These are peel and stick wallpaper sheets. Some of you might already know about them, but can you imagine covering our journals, our notebooks with these, making our own custom clipboards with these? This is going to be fabulous. And on the back, you can see it is from a company called Main Street Wall Creations, peel and stick wallpaper. So I am going to show you the different patterns that I bought. I think there might have been about 10 patterns in the store, but I only bought 4 of the patterns. I like this one because it just has abstract lines on it, but it's silver. So this works for Christmas. This works for Hanukkah. It is a metallic silver, so it has a nice look to it. The sheets are 11 by 16. And then I have this beautiful gold geometric. And y'all, it really is gold looking because it does have like a gold foiling look to it. So again, this is perfect for Christmas. And then I bought this one because I thought it would be great if I was trying to do some more masculine crafting and I was looking for a masculine background. This is awesome for that because it looks like fence boarding to me, and the colors are perfect for some of the more masculine or rustic crafting that we occasionally do on the channel. And then the last one is this awesome blue. Again, this blue is great for Christmas crafting. It's also great for Hanukkah crafting. And I thought, what a beautiful journal cover something like this would make. And because it is peel and stick wallpaper, It is plastic coated or vinyl coated, not really sure, but it appears to be very durable. And if I was to spill water on it, I wouldn't have to worry about it puckering. I can wipe it right up. So as I said, a lot of you might already know about these peel and stick wallpapers at the Dollar Tree. So if you don't know about these, I actually found these on the aisle where the poster board is. I don't know if that's where they're meant to be, but that is where they were. So I know that I'm going to be using these on the channel. I am going to find bunches of crafts that I can do using this peel and stick wallpaper from the Dollar Tree. Y'all, this is a totally non-sponsored video. I get excited when I find things like this and I want to share those things with you. So I will do a video just highlighting a particular store or a particular company because I know that it will help us in our crafting. For those of you who aren't in the US or you live in parts where the Dollar Tree is not a convenient visit for you, I wish I had alternatives to offer you in terms of being able to find this. Unfortunately, I don't. Again, the company's name is Main Street Wall Creations, and I'll give you one of the SKUs if you want to go on the hunt for this. The SKU for this abstract striped silver is 16976024447. So you might actually be able to go online and do a search for some of the peel and stick wallpaper from Main Street Wall Creations. So guys, whether you have access to this or not, I hope that you enjoy when I bring you little things like this, because even if you don't have access to this exactly, you might have some options in your store that you might have overlooked, and now you'll look at them differently. If you have enjoyed this video, and y'all know that I certainly hope that you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, I've been waiting on you to subscribe. I'm right here. Come on, subscribe. As always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.